So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this is me electrical. So today with me I have a ceiling fan from my vintage collection. This is the fan. So this is a late 1980s, early 90s Usha Kohinoor Super Deluxe. So as you can see, 1200 brown color. So this fan was like when so this fan was making some bearing noises previously, so I have changed the bearings. The bearings are new the bearings are changed to new HCH bearings. So the plain Kohinoor, like in the 70s or 80s, was like bushed, but like the ceiling fans at lower bush, I think. But this one isn't like that. This one has double ball bearing on both sides, and the medallion, you can see this is not a spinning piece. This is with the shaft. So this stationary while the operation of the fan, and you can see these broad blades. So you can see quality decreased somewhat with time. In the 90s it started decreasing quite a lot. So these canopies, these are like same like those Usha Prima MK2 canopies, whatever you might think, only little bit of change. So the during the late 80s the canopies were changed to these ones, and later again it was changed to those cone canopies, which I hate. That doesn't actually look good. And so this is considerably good from the 80s, and this still has the original company winding. So yeah, fan is around more than 30 years old, giving good service until now. So let's show you the performance. So speed 1, I'll show you all speeds. Fan is little wobbling as one of the blade is little bent. Speed 1, speed 2, regulator is not, this regulator is actually bad. Speed 3, this actually not that good. Speed 4, now the speed has started to increase. So the air spreads all around the room. Actually, this is quite satisfying. If you have this, please keep it. Speed 5, you can see all around. This is in great condition. The paint is also in a good condition. Only minute scratches. So this is the fan working at full speed. You can see here. So airflow is quite good. Really nice airflow. Continuous, no slapping effect and all that. So if you want to use this in summer, this is a quite good fan to use in summer. This is a very good air mover. You can use this as your summer partner. This will give you a good sleep. So now let's turn it off. So very good fan actually, and double ball bearing makes extends its life more. As you know, the bush model, the bushed ones, you have to get that rewinded if the bush misbehaves and all that, and that has problems. Like, you need to oil the bush once a year so that it remains intact, and not intact, I mean to maintain the performance of the fan and to maintain the life of the bush. So that's another major thing there. So that's the thing. And this is in the 80s there were many good fans, as you know, like there are many, like one of this is Kohinoor and Prima and all that. So Prima actually was newer, I think so, 80s or something. So the Prima later, as you know, this is from J Engineering Works. J Engineering Works used to make quite very good quality fans and all that. But in 2006, as you know, sadly J Engineering Works died, and Usha is making fans from vendors, which is actually a bad thing. So that's the thing. So this from the 80s. So lastly, in the 90s the quality decreased, as I told you. In the 90s, if you could trust a fan, there was only one fan which I could tell you, that is the Usha Pulsar. Usha Pulsar used to, still it used to blow a good amount of air. Later that also was gone, that was out of the market. And Prima and MK2, those were considerably good, not so good, I could tell you. So those were still trustable. They were in the market till 2000s, I think, until J Engineering Works closed. So those fans were quite trustable. Yeah, now in the vendors, if I tell you from the 2000s, Aerostyle you could trust. The older Aerostyles you can trust. Don't trust the but if you have after 2015 Aerostyle, that's way too bad. Aerostyle itself is bad. That's nothing in front of this. And if you have Aerostyle after 2015, then that's literally bad. That won't actually even satisfy you. That's not even satisfactory. What do you want from such a fan? At least that should survive around for a long time. And this one, that at least should survive for a decade. The 2000s and 2010s, I hope so. Those Aerostyles, at least they survive for around that time and all that and stuff. So nowadays Usha fans are not those trustables anymore. But these ones are worthy of trust, worthy of repair. I'll never give this fan to anyone, nor I'll sell this. This is actually a very good fan. So only one time bearing replacement. So I had never seen this before with the original bearings. And those, as you know, Usha used to do notorious jobs with the fans. It was trying experiments and all that. It used to give naked bearings. So the bearings were naked, grease was dried. So immediately I gave the fan for repair. After, when I got to know when the fan was making noises while test runs, so I just gave it for repair. And now this with the new bearings, so I had never seen it in its full potential, but after seeing it, i I am just satisfied. This is a really good fan. So if you have this, do conserve this. And if this is in a bad condition, just restore the fan and use it. If the winding is gone, just get it reminded. I'm telling you, these kind of fans you'll not get in market nowadays. It's a very good fan, very good air mover. So this is the fan with the 2 mfd concap. So I guess I can show you the label and all that. Let me see. So now let me try to show the label and all to you. So let's just do it. So you can see, so this is the medallion. You can see with the shaft, Usha canopies. So the canopies are really in a good condition. No such cracking noises and all that. Not even crumbling up. Nothing. So that's a great thing. So, yeah, so you can see this is the original screw. This is unoriginal because that screw lose the nut and all that. So that's why I have not. I've used another screw over here. So just try to open this. Oh my. Ah, ah. Sorry for the delay. So both the bearings are changed. So this is the thing, and now let me just turn the fan. So this is the label, to be sure. Usha Kohinoor Super Deluxe J Engineering Works Limited. Now let me show you the capacitor of the fan. Oh my. So you can see here's the capacitor. The con cap. This is fine for now, but I'll change this. 2 microfarad, as you can see. So this is the fan, and this is the wire. This is the connection and all that. So this is the fan. So that's it for today. So guys, if you want to see more videos like this, do comment in the comment section. I'll try to uh, show you more of these, and if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.